Hello guys, welcome to SMC tutorials. Today we'll be discussing on how to position for grass airdrop. You must have heard of grass airdrop somehow, somewhere, and you'll be wondering on how to go about it. Here's a quick video on how to do that. You'll be needing Mrs. Browser, like Mrs. Browser fully. Let's open our Mrs. Browser. Okay, this is the registration process. Your email, your username, your password, referral code, then register. After registering, you see this sign at the top close to the microphone. Click on it. Click on extensions. Then scroll down. Open Mrs. Extension Store. Click on it. Then click on the search bar and search for grass extension. Search for it. Okay, click on this one, grass extension. Okay, you see Add to Chrome at the top of it. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on OK. So you have added it to your extensions. So click on that icon again at the top. Then you are going to find grass extension there. Click on it. Then log in with your details. Okay, log in with your details. Okay, it will take you to this interface and it's connected, so you're good to go. And you need to check up on it like every time, like within 1 hour after connecting it. Check on it. It disconnects at any time, so make sure it's always connected. As simple as that. That's how to go about this grass airdrop. I hope this video has been helpful, guys. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section, as a team member will be available to answer your questions. Kindly turn on post notification bell for more educative content, and see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys.